Upbeat, tech-inspired intro music fades slightly into the background. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dreamed of making your own movies, but felt overwhelmed by the process? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. Today, I'm going to show you how to create stunning, complete videos from scratch using nothing but the power of AI. It's easier than you think, and the results are absolutely incredible. Let's dive in. First things first, you need a story. This is your foundation. It doesn't have to be a Hollywood blockbuster script, just a simple idea. For our example, let's go with a sci-fi concept. A lone astronaut discovers a glowing, sentient plant on a desolate alien planet. Once you have your idea, break it down into key scenes. For our story, Scene 1 could be the astronaut landing, Scene 2 is them exploring the barren landscape, and Scene 3 is the amazing discovery of the plant. Now for the fun part, bringing these scenes to life. We'll use an AI text-to-video generator like Pika, Runway, or Caber. These tools are game changers. You simply type in a detailed description of what you want to see, and the AI generates a short video clip. This is where your scene breakdown is crucial. For Scene 1, I might type a prompt like, cinematic shot, a futuristic astronaut in a white and silver suit steps out of a sleek spaceship onto a red, rocky alien planet. The sky is a deep purple with 2 moons, wide angle, 4K, hyper-realistic. The key is to be as descriptive as possible. Use words that evoke a mood and style. Think like a director. Generate a few clips for each scene to have options later. Once you have all your AI-generated clips, it's time to assemble them. You can use any standard video editing software like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Adobe Premiere Pro. Import all your clips and arrange them on the timeline according to your story's sequence. This is where you trim the clips, adjust the pacing, and start to see your narrative come together. A silent film is fine, but sound is what truly brings a video to life. You can use AI music generators like SoundDraw or Aiva to create a custom soundtrack. For our sci-fi video, I'd prompt for something ethereal, mysterious, and awe-inspiring with a sense of wonder. Add some sound effects too, like the crunch of boots on alien soil or the spaceship's hum. This layers on the immersion and makes your world feel real, and there you have it. A complete, visually stunning video created with the magic of AI. From a simple idea to a finished short film, all in a fraction of the time it would traditionally take. The creative possibilities are truly endless. I hope this tutorial inspired you to start creating your own AI-powered videos. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your creations in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.